welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an updated apartment tour. We have been waiting to do this for over a year, but I finally was like, you know what? I'm not gonna wait on nobody to come film it for me. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it myself. So we are currently at the front door. If you've seen my last one, it was like an unofficial apartment tour. You remember this hallway. Front door here, utility closet here, and then I'll get into everything else that we've done new so far. Not too many updates, but just a few that I could show you guys to get you in the swing of what's new. All right, starting with this closet here. This is just the cloak closet. We got our swim stuff up top, towels, swimsuits, and then down below, we just got our coats, a couple totes, and some luggage. So nothing too much in this little closet here. Next closet is just simply our washer and dryer. Nothing too crazy. And then we're going to pan on over to our first bathroom. So just as before, we have a lot of cabinet space in our first bathroom. This is the one with the full tub. So we got the full tub with the shower. And I got that little tray there from Amazon. Everything will be linked, of course, down below. But nothing too crazy. We just got our skincare there. And then we have some plants and things of that nature on this side of the counter. And then we just got, of course, our main things that we use to get ready in the morning. Our water flosser, all of those good things. Okay, so once we come out of that bathroom, on the other side of that is my guest bedroom / office. So when you come in, you'll just see a little table here, and it just got like a candle, some books, my camera things, my headphone little case thing, and my Amazon Alexa. Then you got a futon here. Of course, this comes out like a bed when we need it to, but it's extremely nice. And then we got some pictures on the wall here, a Chanel picture. A girl should be two things, sassy and fabulous, Coco Chanel, and then we got a Tiffany & Co picture. I really love this couch because it's functional for what I need it for. It's only me, and then if I have my nieces and nephew come over, this can lay out like a bed, and they have somewhere to sleep. But I also can sit in here, chill, and watch TV, which we'll get into once I show you the rest of the room. But I love this futon. It matches the aesthetic. And it'll, of course, will be linked down in my Amazon storefront, but you can get this there. Okay, so right on the side of this, I have my treadmill that I need to get on a little bit more, but it's there. And then on this side is the TV. And then I just use this space, honestly, because I wasn't going to find a TV stand small enough to just go right up under this TV. So I just put this space as my shoe corner. So all of my gym shoes and boots are here because it's starting to get cold outside. And then when we pan over, we got this nice small desk because that's all I really need. But this is where I film my wig videos. So my wig installations and things like that, or do my hair, my lashes. This is kind of where I do that at. I love this little corner here. Office chair matches the aesthetic. The desk matches the aesthetic, and I got the vanity from TikTok shop. If I can link that, I'll also link that as well. But everything else came from Amazon over here. And then we just got our printer because if we need to print, we'll just, you know, print here with a little sign that says create. Because baby, we are in our influencer and content creator bag. So that is my little inspirational corner. Up here, it's my little accolades that I have from my first newspaper article, and then I got some stuff from the school that I used to work at there. So then you'll pan over here. You have my little bookshelf here, and pretty much I have my perfume there, some candles, just some little trinkets, candles, all of that right here in this corner, with my Alexis Lachelle sign and a picture that said the best is yet to come, because period. Okay. So once we walk out, we see our dining room. I actually moved my my computer from the area where my vanity was so that I can have two different spaces to edit and do my videos. So yes, we moved our computer out here. I barely sit at this table, so I'm like, whatever. I'll use this as my little desk for my computer. So that is that. And then over here we have our bar cart. We had got this gift from Taylor Port there, so that's why I have that box there. It was like a t-shirt and things like that. But as far as my decor goes, I got this little bar setup thing here from Target. The decanter with the shot glasses at the bottom are from Z Gallery. And I believe I got this little shaker from Amazon. And then we have some flutes, some champagne flutes from Z Gallery as well. And then down below, we just have some wine glasses and an ice bucket for when I have company. But the actual bar cart is from Amazon. So when we pan on over, we just have the kitchen. Pretty plain and simple. I actually have my crab legs out over there because that's what I'm making tonight for dinner. And then once you pan over here, I have just a little eucalyptus plant. And I actually have my chairs flipped up on the counter because I don't even know why. I was cleaning up a few days ago and I never took them down, but they're just some white and gold bar stools that I got from Home Depot. Once you pan over again, this is one of my favorite areas. This is the living room. We got this set of pictures from Decenio.com. I'll go ahead and link that down below. And then our couch is from Ashley Furniture. She's huge. She's the moment. She is very comfortable. She's very deep. I can sit all the way deep into the couch and it is so wonderful. And then our table decor, we have our table from Home Depot. As you can see, I'm going to say Home Depot a ton because Home Depot came through for your girl. We just got some little trinkets from Amazon on top. These books are actually from like, I'll tag it, but I believe it was something like luxurysomething.com. And then at the bottom, we just got our coasters and things of that sort. I'm actually about to get rid of this rug. I've had it the whole 2 years that I've been living here. And it's just getting a little dirty. And I just want to, you know, start with something new. Over there, we got our patio. I'm not going to show you because it's actually nighttime. So I'm not going to show you what that looks like. However, the star of the show, this Anthropologie dupe mirror that I only got for $95 is from Sam's Club. I'll definitely be tagging that down below because she is the moment. She is that girl. And then we have our plant that was very overpriced. I'll show you a better plant to get, which I said in my first apartment tour video. She was $130. That is very expensive, but we had already had her, so that's it. All right, once we pan on over to my TV area, we have this TV stand from Home Depot as well. I love her. I was very undecided on what TV stand I wanted for my living room, but she came together nicely, very reasonable, very affordable. We got our pampas grass from CB2. I really love her too. She is just actually, she puts the living room together to me, like just brings in the tones. It's real nice. And then I just got a regular TV. I actually just added some gold tape around the edge of my TV. And we just looked up some YouTube frame TV art for the purposes of making it look like a TV frame. Isn't it nice? She looks so nice. All right, we're gonna turn around. And here is that look of the kitchen. But on this side is my bedroom. So once again, I said I just got those put up because I was cleaning up. So when you come this way, you have the pantry. It looks a little bit better than the last time we made a video. It's a little bit more organized, but I have my paper towel in here. All of the things that I need for cleaning and storage and all of that good stuff. And then I got all my food supplies at the bottom. And that is that. Tissue down there as well. But it's not as dirty as it was. Well, not dirty, disorganized as it was when I first showed you guys my apartment. Hi, this is my bedroom. She is also the moment, the vibe, and all of the things. This is the much better looking plant for less money. So we're going to tag her. She's from Amazon. And we got her in the bedroom. TV, we did the same thing here. We just added some gold foil tape around the edge of the TV to make it look aesthetically pleasing. And then we just got some pampas grass here with a little decor item from Amazon. And then we got a Chanel book there with a gold bowl. It just got all of my needs in that bowl. My glasses, my remote, anything that I'm using for the week goes in that bowl. And then we just got a candle right there. I did not want a dresser, guys. So I got this little TV entertainment stand thing from Menards. I know everything that I shop on a budget. This thing was only $40, y'all. Got it from Menards. If I can tag it, I most definitely will. I just have my clothes folded up nice and neatly in the 4 little quadrants there because I wanted a different look. I did not want a dresser. So yeah. Got this mirror on a budget as well, $90. It did come cracked. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video. Yeah, you can see it right there. So I ended up getting it for free because Walmart don't play with me. Count your days. All right, so when we pan on over, some more pampas grass, but much cheaper than CB2. I got it from Hobby Lobby. So you can also check out Hobby Lobby for this pampas grass, especially during this time when it's like that fall winter season. They'll definitely have these in stock. And then we just got some side tables here with some gold tables. I'm sorry, some gold mirrors and gold lamps on them. I got my little phone charger there where I can charge everything at once. My AirPods and my phone at the same time. We love that. She's the moment. She's that girl. And then we also have, excuse my pillow, y'all, because my hair be oily and it just don't be doing right, okay? We have a duvet cover with the insert, and I really love that. And I got it with this, I paired it with these green flower type sheets from Target. I'll also tag that for you guys if you want to do like a little fall number with this olive green look. And I just got like a little spread at the end of my bed. And on the other side, we also have the same table, lamp, and mirror. And then when we pan on over, we have our closet. I wanted to have all of the same hangers throughout, and I did that. So yes, that's my pajamas on this side, and then I have my regular clothes on this side of the closet. I also have another closet with just work clothes that I forgot to show you in the other bedroom, and I'll show you that in a second. So in this bathroom, this is just my personal bathroom and my bedroom. A lot of cabinet space. I can turn on the light for you guys. A lot of cabinet space, but it is just a toilet and a shower here. I can show you here that this is where I got from Amazon. One of the things to just feel like a hotel, period. So I got some little bottles off of Amazon that I have my shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in. I also have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash down here, because I had just got this stuff, so I need to make sure that I switch that into those bottles. And then I got my African net sponge and all of the things that I need when I take my showers. I'm really a bath girly, but when I take my showers, I need my stuff. And then I guess I'll just have to show you guys the last closet, which was in that office space here. And that is all of my work clothes, so sweaters and slacks and all of those things. And then I have just some storage over there. And then all of my purses are on this side of the closet with some dresses because they're able to hang a little bit longer. But yeah. So now I'm actually going to go ahead and pour me some wine because I'm about to make me some crab legs. I don't have anything to go with it. I just had a taste for crab legs. So I'm going to put those in the oven, make me a good butter sauce, and take my shower and get ready for work tomorrow. I just really wanted to come on and do this update because I haven't shown you guys what was new in the apartment. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm about to relax. Thank you for coming into my space. But now y'all need to get out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.